Hi Shannon, this is Patrick coming to you from Arizona, and this is my version of Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smiled at the rising sun. Three little birds perch on my doorstep, singing a sweet song of melodies pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, ooh, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smiled at the rising sun. Three little birds perch on my doorstep, oh, singing a sweet song of melodies pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Love you, Shannon.